Yan po, Gucci Floral. And Speedy Totem. Speedy Totem. Yes, ma'am. This, ma'am, ano, ma'am Oda? How about for this, ano po? Totem. Totem Speedy. This is collector's items, ma'am. How about this, ma'am? Yeah. This is genuine leather with lock and key. Yeah, with lock and key. This is the lock and this is the key. This is genuine leather, ma'am. I will assure you, this is genuine leather. For this, ano, collector's items. And also for the dental. Yeah. Its stamp is there. Ay, sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Yes. Last time, ma'am. I know. Ma'am Oda. Ma'am Shonte. Pala. Sorry. Sorry, ma'am Oda. Yes, I know, ma'am. I remember. I forgot, ma'am Oda. Sorry. Last time you have like this, ma'am. Yes po. I forgot, ma'am. Ma'am Shonte pala. Si ma'am Shonte po pala hindi avail ng mga tag nito. Totem collection. Totem collection. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. I forgot. Cute. Perforated. Yes, ma'am. Perforated, ma'am, ha. Thank you, ma'am Oda. Ma'am Oda is my sure buyer. Last, for Fast 2023. Year 2023. Last year. She purchased on fine bags. For how many bags? She is my, genuine, what you call this, sure buyer. Legit buyer. Gucci one you have in your hand. Yes, ma'am. This, ma'am, Gucci. Get this, ma'am. Ma'am Oda. This is leather po. Yes po, this is leather. This is a rare, ma'am, Thank you, ma'am Oda Liz. Thank you, ma'am. You and ma'am Shonte is my, my real buyer po. My, what you call this, legit buyer. As 2023 and some others po, because the others is Filipino also, same of my nationality, but they po, ma'am, they base in USA, they live in USA, but the same Filipinos. Some others also po, legit buyer for last 2023, aside from you and ma'am Shante. Thank you very much, mga madam. Thank you. And this 2024